Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a Christmas decoration soldering kit. It's a very simple thing. A little manual can look like that. Very simple. For your components, bag of LEDs, 1K resistors, some 10Ks, a 100 farad capacitor, and a 555 timer, I think. Wait, yeah? An ANI 555P. Alright, we're going to get to assembly, which easiest way is, I would say start with, oh, almost forgot, battery components. Now, to start, I would say, go with your 1K resistors. Of course, resistors have no polarity. I will leave a link to this product in the description if you want to build it yourself. My video can kind of be a tutorial. Now, I'll show how I did that resistor up close. And sorry for the lighting. You just take it, grab it, give it a little bend. That's all you need. And get your board, and you'll see it marked 1K, which of course, with your 1K resistors, you have to do, just line it up, push it in, let's go to the back, spread the legs on that. There we go. And also, you're most definitely probably going to want flush cutters. You can do without them, but they'll make your life so much easier if you do. Alright, so I'm on a step to having all of these done. Alright, I'm done putting all these resistors in place. They're all soldered. Now, you get 2 in a pack for the 10K, but you only do need 1 of these. So, same thing. Little fold. I'm sorry if that is out of focus. I can't really see on my phone. But of course, we're just gonna put a little bit of solder, get a little more than that. Just gonna use some solder on that. Alright, there we go. Give it a little snippy snip. Snip, snip. Alright, that is all of our resistors. Now, this little 555 timer, it is very complicated. These holes are not the width of the timer, so again, now pliers will be your best friend. Just a little bend out on each side. Of course, you'll have to do your own fine tuning till you find something that works. Like that was close, but not enough for me. A little more bending. And I think I got it now. And there we go. Kind of fits in there lopsided-ish. But now we have that. And I'm going to record this little bit of soldering. You'll definitely want to find a way to secure your board down. It will make your life a lot easier. Go back over, make sure them good and flowed. That should be that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do the capacitor on this. So, of course, that stripe is your negative sign. There's a little positive side there. You can see a little white thing. So the long leg goes into the little plus sign. There we go. Put the legs apart a little. Sit it down. There we go. Once again, little snip, snip. There we go. There's most of them now. Packet of LEDs. From the first one I did myself, I had some extra ones left over. So I would say it would probably definitely help you if you just put these into their own piles, but you should have some extras left over. Alright, now, in the manual, they show the positive on the left, but this manual is actually misprinted. You need the positive to be onto the right side. Here, okay. So, I'm going to use red to start on this. Like I said, you're not going to put that onto the left side. You're going to flip it around, put the long leg into the right side. Again, little bend out. Just remember, the longest leg needs to be on the very right. There's some notches on these legs that make them a little bit harder to push in, but I'm going to go ahead and pause and skip to where I'm finished with these. Alright, we have all the LEDs in, just soldering is required. So again, if you just give the legs a little spread, they stay in. And also the LEDs have thicker legs than the resistors do, so that will make them a little harder to do, but not that much harder. So I want to finish up soldering and be back. Alright, all the LEDs are fully soldered in now and trimmed. Now, our only thing left are battery compartments. Now, you can see on the solder mask, there are little shapes cut out, which match up with these perfectly. Now, these little nubs on the bottom here, from where stuff has been soldered in, you'll want to get those as low as you can. But no matter what you do, they're going to be in the way a little bit. They're going to push up your socket a little, but it's not too big of an issue. Of course, you can pick it up, melt that solder. Good, we'll push up. There we go. That down here too. Right, that's one in, one to go. We'll go ahead and stop and get this. There we go. After you get these soldered in, put in your batteries. They're not supplied. Put the last one in, flip it around. There we go. We have one finished ornament. And with these battery compartments, that is not going to work. These battery compartments, you just have to push on a little wing there. The battery pops out. There sadly is no switch, so it's either on or off. Just have to take the batteries out. But there you go. That is one fully completed one. It's very simple. It comes supplied with a chain and a little die. And a little tie, so you can do it like you see in here. So, very easy. Very nice. Little ornament. There you go. Bye.